Good afternoon to all of you and welcome again to the Doctor Show. I hope you and your family are perfectly fine and you're staying very healthy and you're exercising just like we always say. Today we're going to talk about something your parents always advise you to do, which is to eat eggs, more eggs. So we're going to talk about a lot of benefits of the eggs and why are they useful, and are they as useful as they say, or we can skip them a few days, or we should eat one egg every day. So I'm going to answer all these questions today to tell you the benefits first, and then we will tell you should we eat it every day or not. What are the benefits of the eggs? Number one and most important benefit is that it has proteins. It actually, every one egg has 6 grams of proteins with so many amino acids that your body do not actually make. What does the amino acids do? The amino acids are actually the basic Lego pieces of the protein that makes an actual protein. So we have a lot of them that we don't actually make in our body. We have a lot of them that we need to actually take from outside. We need to take them as food. Okay, so one of them is actually in the eggs. So every egg, it has 6 grams of amino acids we don't make, so we need them every day. So yeah, that's the first benefit. What else? It has actually a lot of other stuff like multivitamins. It has vitamin B12, which is very important for us. It has phosphorus. It actually has antioxidants, which make our cells very, very healthy. Each egg has all of those things and more. I'm only mentioning the very important one of them. What else do I have? So these are 2 reasons so far to make us eat one egg every day, and it actually is very good tasting as well. What else is actually important is that it makes it has fats in it, and the good type of fats. If you remember, once we talked in one of our episodes that the type of fats are 2 types, HDL and LDL, the cholesterol type. The HDL is the good cholesterol and the LDL is the bad cholesterol. So the eggs has both, but it has good cholesterol much more than the bad cholesterol. So if you actually eat a lot of HDL, it will cancel out the effect of the bad cholesterol, the LDL. So it actually eventually makes you much healthier and makes you have the good cholesterol in your body. It also lowers another type of fat called triglycerides. Triglycerides is a bad type of fat that can actually cause you heart attacks, could cause you strokes and all of that. It lowers the level of the triglycerides in your body. So it does 2 things when it comes to the fats. It has a good type of cholesterol, other than the bad type, but it's okay because it cancels it out, and it lowers the triglyceride in your body. So lower fat, it means a healthier life. So how does it actually lower the chances of heart attacks and the chances of stroke? In order for us to answer all these things, you should know that how does the heart attack happens? How does the fat actually make you have heart attacks? So many factors can actually make you have a heart attack when you grow up, but the whole reason of it, how does it actually happen? You know, I'm going to get off topic a little bit, but that's a really good information for you to know for the future. Your heart actually has arteries, like vessels, tubes, to give it blood, to make it have oxygen to pump all the time, because the heart is a pump of blood. That's the only job the heart does, is to pump oxygen to the rest of your body. So the heart itself, it actually needs to have oxygen and blood. So these little tubes, these little arteries, they supply it with blood. If you eat a lot of fatty food, if you eat a lot of bad food and junk food and burgers every day, burger, pizza, all the food that we have in our culture, it's filled with fatty food. All of these things, with time, within like 40 years, 20 years, 30 years, depends on your body and how it reacts. The vessel itself, the tube, will be narrow until it becomes super narrow. The fat will be all around it, just like we're seeing in the video. So the fat will be all around it to the extent that it's going to be narrow. So what happens later on, if any small clump of red blood cells together or anything that is little big in the blood comes in this small tube, it will actually block it and it will actually close it, so a part of your heart will not have blood. A part of your heart might actually die. That's why people immediately have a heart attack, they have a chest tightness, chest pain, and sometimes a pain on the left arm. This is all the symptoms of heart attack. Why does it happen? It happens because of fatty food, because of cigarette smoking, by the way. We talked before about nicotine and how nicotine helps to narrow the blood vessels and make you actually have narrower blood vessels and make you have heart attacks. So, what about the brain stroke? Brain stroke is the same idea. When a little bit of clot in your brain could cause you actually to have a brain stroke. All of these things, they happen because of bad food. So today, I'm telling you about the benefits of eggs. So eventually, now you know why the eggs are actually good, because they lower your triglycerides and they have good cholesterol. They have the cholesterol that does not hurt you and does not make you have a heart attack. And research shows that 30% benefit of less heart attack with the people who eat an egg every day than the people who don't eat eggs. So if you eat an egg every day, you're 30% less likely to have any stroke or a heart disease. So eventually you have a healthy heart. You have a good heart. And of course, not just eating healthy, exercising makes you have a healthy heart. Walking every single day. You need to actually walk every single day to make a benefit of walking. So let's get back to the topic. I'm talking about eggs, not just healthy food. So what else good about eggs? It actually helps you with portion control. Every single egg has 70 calories. So if you're counting your calories every day, you know that every egg is 70 calories. You put a little bit of salad with it, a little bit of avocado and brown toast and all of it, and here you go, you have a perfectly healthy lunch. What else? It's very easily accessible. You have it in the supermarkets, you have it, and it's very affordable. It's one of the cheapest food you can actually get and the most healthy ones to get. It also helps you with eye disease. It has a lot of antioxidants that help you protect your eyes from cataract, from any other diseases with aging of the eyes, and makes you have a really good eye. It has a lot of vitamins for the eye. What else it actually can do? It makes you focus more. It actually has vitamins and antioxidants for the brain to make you sharper and make you focus more. So it's really good to actually eat one egg every single morning to make you sharp thinking and bright thinking, and it's really good for pregnant ladies and breastfeeding ladies because it gives them a lot of vitamins. So also it actually makes you feel full much faster than any other food, so that's really good for you not to overeat. So people who eat an egg every day, they tend to eat 200 less calories at lunch. Can you imagine? Because they still feel full from the morning. So it's actually really good for you to work out, to eat it in the morning, to have the protein portion of the day from the eggs. And a lot of people who go to the gym, who actually is trying to bulk up, they eat a lot of eggs because it has a good amount of protein, which is really great for you. So do not forget that it has vitamin D for the brain, for the gray matter of the brain to make you focus more, make you very alert and very well thought, and it actually has good vitamins and antioxidants for the eye. It's actually healthy for everything in your body, every single cell in your body, because even amino acids that we talked about at the beginning of the episode, they literally make you help build your whole body because they're a part of your DNA. So everything, every cell division, your nails, your hair, because of vitamin B that it has. So it's very healthy for all of your body. So I think now we know that we need to eat one egg every single day to actually have a healthy life. Make sure you exercise, make sure you have a walk every single day, or 5 times a week, at least half an hour every day. Just whatever you have. If you want to go to the supermarket, try to take a walk. If you want to do any running errands around you, take a walk. If your office or school is near your house, take a walk, because it's pretty healthy. You cannot just eat healthy food. You need to exercise to have a perfectly balanced life. Please try to take some of the advices I told you today, because it's very healthy to do so. And thank you for watching us today. I hope you actually benefited from today, and I hope I actually made you eat more eggs every day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Have a good night.